Kurt, here's your beautiful 347 small block Ford. Just got done dynoing it. Everything looked great. Give you a description of this combination. Obviously, it's got the Borla, all polished, really nice setup. Obviously, the fuel management system is done by Holley, the Terminator X. Really great setup. AFR Heads, custom hydraulic roller cam. It's got the marked Serpentine belt set up on it. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down to 3,500, 394 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 415 and peaks horsepower 489. Still run pretty good up there. We rated at 500. Front ends use about 20 horsepower, so it runs good. Get her off there, get in her crate. Have a great day.